Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Frank Melendez. I'm an architect, educator, and researcher in New York City. I teach at the City College of New York, and I'm a partner at Augmented Architectures, a research and design practice here in New York. I'm also the author of this book, Drawing from the Model, Fundamentals of Digital Drawing, 3D Modeling, and Visual Programming in Architectural Design. This is published by Wiley in 2019. And the book is intended for design students, educators, and professionals to provide a broad overview of traditional and contemporary architectural representation methods. In this series of video tutorials, I'm going to extend upon some of the topics in the book regarding digital tools, techniques, and workflows for producing architectural design drawings and 3D models using the software Rhino by Robert McNeel Associates.